Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new lesson, components of food. We eat different food items in a day. Like we eat bread, omelette, meal and fruits in breakfast, and in lunch we eat chapati, salad, dal and rice, while potato chips and burger in snacks. Also the fish curry and masala rice in dinner. Beside all these, sometimes we eat our favorite food items like chocolate, cake, ice cream and other sweets, right? It means our meal is consist of variety of food items. But we eat food not just to stop rumbling sound that comes from our stomach. Actually, we eat food to get energy to do work for the whole day. For healthy heart, working muscles and active brain, we must eat a balanced diet which gives nutrients to our body. These nutrients provide you energy, make your bones strong, keep your body organs healthy, and repair your body cells. Now, you might be thinking what the nutrients are, right? So don't worry. We are going to learn about them in this session. So students, each dish is made up of one or more ingredient that we get from the plant or animal source, and each ingredient include different components. Components are also known as nutrients. These nutrients are named as carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals, and we get all these nutrients by eating variety of food items. Our body needs all the nutrients for growth, maintenance and repair of our body cells. Our body needs all the nutrients in proper amount because all these nutrients perform their specific function. For example, carbohydrates provide us energy, fats store energy, proteins make our body structure, while vitamins and minerals keep your body healthy. Beside all these, our body also needs water and dietary fiber that we get from the food. So students, let's see more about these nutrients.